Hello everyone, I am Ashtar Tashi. I am here again once more to bring you messages from the gorgeous goddesses. So let's see what this fortnight is all about. Our first card for the fortnight is Goddess Athena. Goddess Athena is a Greek goddess, and she has a very different kind of message. Her message is that of inner wisdom. We all do know that inherently we know a lot about the world through our experiences, but is it only intellectually there for us as wisdom, or are we even applying it? So one thing interesting I would like to share with you, which I'm sure many of you must be aware of, that when we are getting only intellectual knowledge, that is pure knowledge, it converts to wisdom only when we start applying it to our daily life, to all our experiences. So Athena is saying here to us, trust your inner wisdom. That means whatever intellectual knowledge you have, believe that you are able and you are capable of applying it as wisdom in your life. So don't think twice about trusting your intuition and using your wisdom. So Athena has asked you to trust your inner wisdom, right? And take the appropriate action without any further delay. So just go ahead, believe in yourself and move forwards. So let's see what the second card for this fortnight is. Very interesting. So who do we have here? We have Goddess Bridget. Goddess Bridget, very powerful. She is the goddess who says, do not back down. How uncanny, well, with goddesses there's nothing uncanny, but it is otherwise to say so, that Athena is saying, trust your inner wisdom. Bridget is saying, don't back down. So what is that supposed to mean? It means that whatever plans you have made for yourself, whatever it is that you need to take action upon, trust your wisdom, trust your instinct and go for it. Bridget is saying, do not back down at all. So Bridget wants you to believe that you know what is right. Then why should you even worry? Don't get bogged down by pressures from the outside world. Don't get bogged down about what people will think about you. What are other people's opinions about the decision that you are ready to take? Right? So you need to believe in your own power. Feel empowered and take that step forward. Trust your inner wisdom and don't back down. So our third card for this fortnight, oh my God. So this is Goddess Dana, the High Priestess, right? And she is, let me share with you, I started doing the healing work and channeling goddesses with the blessings of Goddess Dana. She came to me in a meditation many years ago, and almost 14 years ago, and she came to me and said that she wanted to train me, and all I had to do was surrender, and that's exactly what I did. And with her blessings, I am sitting in front of all of you and offering the goddess messages. So Dana wants you to follow through your heart's desire. Whatever creative pursuit you want to go through which you can share divine wisdom with the world. This fortnight, please look at that aspect of your life. It could be writing and sharing your wisdom through writing, through theater, through play acting, through teaching. You have to go out there and give to the world whatever wisdom you have gathered through your experience, through whatever kind of professional training, whatever it may be for you. So to wrap up this beautiful session, we have three very powerful goddesses who have spoken to us this fortnight. Athena, who said, trust your inner wisdom, go out there and do what your heart says, what your mind dictates you, what your inner wisdom dictates you. Bridget says, don't even think twice about it. I will support you, just move forward. Don't think what the world has to say. And Dana, the high priestess herself, is giving you immense blessings and says, when I am there with you, I am guiding you, I am holding your hand. Let's just go there and share whatever you have to teach to the world. Go out there and teach it. So you go ahead and have a beautiful, blessed fortnight. May all the blessings from all the goddesses be with you and your loved ones. Till I see you again, keep shining. Namaste.